I just got off the phone with the mechanic. He sent me a couple of text messages. There is a lot of metal, or what they think is a lot of metal, in the engine oil. They pulled out the drain plug. I will put this picture up on the screen here. There is some ferrous metal in the oil and a lot of carbon, so they're concerned. So he sent me some text messages. We took a look inside, and it's not good. So I'm gonna head up to the airport and we're gonna decide what to do from there. Alright, so here we are. A couple days ago I took my airplane off to the mechanic and he gave me a call and said that there's a whole lot of metal in the oil. So we're sitting here with a bunch of oil in the aircraft engine. We took a look at it. We put a borescope down each of the cylinders, took a close look at each of those, and then we also put the borescope down into the engine oil fill. And there's a little bit of corrosion and such on the lifters. So what we're gonna go do now, I'm gonna go look at the aircraft and see the progress of where we stand and what's going on. So this aircraft engine was installed by Western Skyways in 2013. The previous owner put about 400 hours on the aircraft in that time. It's now 2020, so that's 400 hours in about 8 years. I've owned the aircraft since August, which is 6 months. And I've put 100 hours on it myself in that 6-month period. So what we're looking at doing is replacing all of the lifters. The mechanic has the engine apart, so we're gonna go take a look. One of the two main reasons that I bought this airplane is the amazing instrument panel, and the other, it was a low time engine, 400 hours. The engine has great compression, with every cylinder making better than 72/80. What was supposed to be an easy annual just increased significantly in both time and money. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace all of the parts that have gone bad. We're going to inspect the engine for metal contamination. We're going to flush the engine, put it back together, time continue, and then monitor it very closely. This means I'm going to be down a lot longer than I anticipated and may need to rent an aircraft to stay current. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. It may be a while.